5 tips that you can quickly make a balanced diet meal at home and how all of these benefit your skin. Rice, lentil soup, zucchini, spinach, and tomato pickle. Stay tuned till the end because you don't want to miss the important part where you will be learning how all of these ingredients are going to help you heal your skin from within. Hi, my name is Sajana. I'm a licensed skincare specialist and I have helped numerous people solve their skincare concerns with the right skincare product. And now I'm also a certified holistic nutritionist, so I have the knowledge of both worlds to help you solve your skin problem from inside and out. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. What you eat is very important for how your skin feels. So to help you, I am going to share with you a nutritious recipe of a traditional Nepali food that you can quickly prepare at home in less than an hour. Here are the ingredients that you will need. A bunch of spinach, 1 cup of lentil, 2 cups of brown rice, 3 tomatoes, 2 zucchini, 1 red onion, and 7 cloves of garlic. First tip. To efficiently cook the meal faster, here are some of the techniques to cut the vegetables. Let's start with tomatoes. Cut them into 4 sections. And then zucchini, first peel it and cut it in the middle. And again, cut it in the middle. Then dice it evenly. Make sure to wash your hands here. Leek is optional, but you can add these to any vegetable to make it tastier. For garlic, you want to cut it in half and peel it this way, so it's easy to peel and slice it. If you haven't diced onion this way, you should give it a try. Cut it in half, cut it in the middle, and on the top. Then move vertically and chop. You will get very finely chopped pieces like this. Now all the preparations is ready. Second tip for you to prepare the meal faster is to automate things. So first you want to cook the rice and let it do its job. Then you want to move into making the lentil soup because that takes the longest to cook. Heat a saucepan and put a 1 teaspoon of oil. Then add cumin seed and pour the lentil. Add turmeric, cumin powder, coriander powder, and 1.5 tablespoons of salt. If you want spicy, then add a little bit of chili powder. Give it a good mix for a minute or 2. Then add 5 cups of water. This should be good for 4 to 5 servings. Now put the lid on and boil for 20 minutes. Third tip for you is to cook vegetable. All you need is salt and pepper. Now on the other pan, prepare to cook zucchini. Let the pan heat first, then add garlic and onion. When it turns golden brown, add leek. Then give it a good stir. Now add zucchini and finally salt and pepper and cook it in a low heat. As you can see on the side, lentil soup is getting ready and rice is also cooking, so this way you can prepare the meals quickly. Fourth tip is make use of multiple stoves if you have it. On the other stove, we will prepare for tomato pickle and you want to put a little bit of more oil for this one. And once the pan heats up, add garlic and a pinch of salt. And in the meantime, make sure the zucchini is stirred. Then add tomatoes, salt, chili powder, pepper to your taste. Cover the lid and let it cook. Fifth tip is cook the spinach the last because it literally takes less than 5 minutes to cook. For spinach, start with an oil and then add garlic. I'm also adding chili flakes here, which helps with digestion, but it's optional. And then you can add the onion and a pinch of salt. After it turns golden brown, add spinach and cover it. And after 2 minutes, it's done. While other things are cooking, Take the tomatoes and blend them to make a pickle. I added some chopped coriander here, but it's optional as you want to add different types of greens to your meal. Now everything is ready to serve. Let's put it on a plate. I'll show you how the plate portion is supposed to be. The quarter part of the plate should be whole carb. The other quarter part should be protein from a plant or animal source. And the other half of the plate should be different kind of vegetable. This is how a balanced meal should look like. I'm glad you're still here with me. Thank you. And here's the important part that you've been waiting for. How these ingredients are helping you to heal your skin naturally. This is all plant-based recipe, but here's the secret. When you combine the unrefined carbs like whole grain, brown rice, and protein like lentil and beans together, it provides the perfect synergy and completes the essential amino acids needed for our body. And amino acids are very important for our body, especially when you have wounds and when you have skin peeling after you pick on the acne. So these amino acids will help you repair those wounds faster and also heals your skin barrier function quickly as well. You know, vegetables are good for your health, but let's go deeper at how zucchini, spinach, and tomatoes particularly will help you heal your skin. Zucchini is high in fiber, so it's good for your digestion. And when your gut is happy, your detoxification is strong. And skin is the largest detoxifying organ in our body, so you are taking good care of it. Spinach is filled with vitamin A, C, and K, and when you have a sunburn, put a aloe vera gel on the burn and eat food with lots of spinach on it. And this way it will help you heal your burns from inside and out. Tomatoes. I cannot even tell you how beneficial this vegetable is. When I burn my hands with the oil splitters, I always put tomatoes on the burn. It really helps to calm down the inflammation and also prevent your skin from getting the pigmentation from the scars. And if you want to know more about the nutrients that helps in solving particular skin concerns, then watch this video. I help you explain in detail and also provide you a PDF guide for a reference. By the way, if you were wondering, my husband was the one cutting the vegetable and cooking, as I had to hold the camera and fix the light. We wanted to make this video so you can live a healthy life, eat good food that is meaningful to your body, and take good care of your skin from within. Thanks for watching today's video on how to heal your skin from within. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and also hit the bell so you don't miss on future videos just like this one. To improve your nutrition, skin, and mindset, I will see you in the next video.